to the kitchen.
A white boy, half Indian,
Yeah.
does his cleaning.
Yeah.
Have you got gout in your eyeballs?
Yeah, probably. Gout from my eyeballs and my elbow. Eyeball elbows.
Elbows.
Eyeball elbows.
Go say it fast.
Elbow elbows. Elbow. Elbow elbows. Elbow.
Say eyeballs, elbow, knee.
Eyeballs, elbow, knee.
Say it really fast.
Eyeballs, elbow, knee.
Are you 121?
Can everybody hear that out there?
No, not yet.
Oh, shit. Send it out there, I don't care.
Yeah, I will.
Just don't tell me our address. They'll be coming to take.
So, I'll tell you a joke, you just follow it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, what's your name?
Gary.
What's the colour of the sky?
Blue.
What's opposite from down?
Up.
So say it all together.
Gary Block. Of course you do. I got blown up.
You got
by
blown up?
someone else. Yeah.
Who was it?
By name, by this Sheila name.
What's her name?
Not telling you.
Do you have a nickname for that person?
No, nickname.
The one that blew you up?
Agony Aunt. Agony Aunt.
Angry Auntie?
Angry Auntie. Yeah, Angry Auntie, there you go. Agony Aunt.
What did she grow you about?
Yeah, putting food all over the kitchen. And I had to clean my mess up.
Isn't that how you do it anyway?
Yeah, of course you did. I haven't finished and she got me not finished yet. I've done the dishes, but now it's sparkly, as you can see. It's sparkle.
We can sort of see a stain on the oven.
That has to be done by Willie.
By your willy.
By Whale Willie. By Willie. No, by Whale.
That fella's gonna do it with his willy.
Okay. You think out, it will be famous.
This is how you clean an oven.
Yeah. As much as you
With
can.
no products.
With no products, just firewall.
Just straight golly.
Golly woggy.
So is there anything you want to say to the world?
Yeah, just party on.
Just party on.
Yeah, party on and have a good time while you're doing it.
Do you have a good time when you party?
I try to.
What ends up happening?
Get an ear bashing for partying too good.
I don't know.
Partying too good, you shouldn't be that, you know.
Who's that?
I don't know.
What was their nickname?
Oh, Agony Aunt. Agony Aunt.
Ooh, she's coming to get you.
I finished. Okay, see you later.